Can AI replace actors? Exploring the fascinating world of digital double technology. In recent years, the advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, and computer graphics has led to groundbreaking developments in various industries. One of the most intriguing applications is the emergence of digital double technology in the entertainment world. This revolutionary technology has raised the question, can AI replace human actors on the silver screen? In this article, we'll delve into the fascinating world of digital double technology and explore its potential implications for the future of filmmaking and beyond. Digital double technology involves creating lifelike computer-generated replicas of real-life individuals, including actors, athletes, and other public figures. It utilizes a combination of cutting-edge AI algorithms, advanced motion capture techniques, and powerful rendering engines to achieve unparalleled realism. By meticulously capturing every detail of a person's appearance and movements, digital doubles offer the potential to recreate convincing performances that resemble the original human actors. Digital doubles have already made significant contributions to the film industry. This technology allows filmmakers to achieve feats that were once considered impossible. For instance, it enables actors to perform stunts or sequences that might be too dangerous for them to attempt in reality. Additionally, it allows for the seamless integration of characters into digital environments, expanding the creative possibilities for directors and visual effects teams. While digital double technology holds immense promise, it does face certain challenges and limitations. Achieving true human-like realism remains a complex task, especially when it comes to replicating subtle facial expressions and emotions. Creating a convincing digital double also requires substantial time, effort, and resources, making it a costly process that might not be feasible for all productions. The rise of digital doubles raises ethical and legal questions. Using a digital double to portray an actor without their consent or involvement could lead to controversies and disputes over intellectual property rights. Furthermore, there are concerns about the potential misuse of this technology for deepfakes and other malicious activities that could harm individuals' reputations and cause widespread misinformation. Despite the challenges, the future of digital double technology seems promising. As AI and computer graphics continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more realistic and efficient digital doubles in the coming years. The technology could eventually become more accessible to smaller film productions, enabling filmmakers to bring their visions to life without being limited by practical constraints. Digital double technology represents an exciting frontier in the entertainment industry. While it may not entirely replace human actors, it undoubtedly has the potential to revolutionize filmmaking, enhance visual effects, and open up new creative possibilities. As this technology progresses, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations and strike a balance between its artistic benefits and potential challenges. Only time will tell how this revolutionary technology will shape the future of entertainment. If you're fascinated by the cutting-edge developments in technology and entertainment, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more captivating insights and discussions on the latest advancements in the world of tech. Join our community to stay informed and be part of the exciting journey into the future.